Hey there, how y'all doing? This one or this one? That one? Okay. Can you do me a favor and sit down for me right there? Okay. Thank you. Can you put down your bag for me? What's up?
How I'm going to jail? I'm not the only one. And then I gotta be the one to go to jail.
The girl in the car's making them?
She not here.
Is she in on it?
Yes, she in on it.
On February 28th, 2024, a single tip cracked open an entire fraud ring. 4 women working with an insider at the check cashing store moved nearly $12,000 in counterfeit paper. The real issue is not the checks. It's how fast the operation fell apart once one person started talking.
Hey there, how y'all doing? This one or this one? That one? Okay. Can you do me a favor and sit down for me right there? Okay. Thank you. Can you put down your bag for me? Thank you so much. You guys have any guns or knives on you? No machine guns or nothing, right? Okay. I'm not. What's up?
How I'm going to jail? I'm not the only one that's doing this.
It's okay. I'm gonna have you step outside for me, okay?
I hear.
Yep. I'm gonna have you stay here for me, okay? Okay. So, real quick.
Everybody doing this shit. Like I'm not even the one that making these. You feel me?
I don't understand what you mean by that.
Okay, it's somebody that making these mugs.
Stay here. Talk to me.
It's somebody that making these mugs, and I'm not even making them. And then I gotta be the one to go to jail. The girl over there in the car, she making.
The girl in the car's making them?
She right there in the car. She in the brown car. She make those. I don't make those.
That car right there? Yeah. Perfect. Stay here for me, okay?
I ain't even care, like, I'm not even making it. And I'm the one that goes there. She even gave the girl in that one.
What?
She gave the girl in that one. She got a check too.
Yeah?
Yes.
Just give me 1 second, okay? Can you stop that Kia for me? Let me figure this all out, okay?
Please. I mean, whatever you want me to do, I'll pay the money back to the place. Whatever y'all need me to do, I'll do that.
Okay, give me 1 second, okay?
And I'll tell him I'm sorry. Whatever he needs me to do, the owner of this company, I'll pay the money back. Like, but I'm not the one that making these changes. I didn't even know like they were doing crazy like this. Is something crazy. Like I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna read you your rights.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I want to hear what you have to say. I do not want to violate your rights.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I like how you being honest with me.
Yes, sir.
So I want to be open with you. So I want to read you this first. I want to hear everything you got to say. So you're telling me she's the one at fault. So I'm going to go stop that car for me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Everything's ready to mind. You should talk to me now. What this is saying is I'm going to ask you some questions.
Yes, sir.
You don't have to talk to me if you don't want to.
No,
but I would like to hear your side of the stories. It sounds like this chick is playing you.
Yes, I want to talk to you.
Okay, talk to me.
Okay, so like, I don't know, like, where, like, who is making them for? Like, she getting an account number, like, she doing this with everybody. Like, she got a check with her right now. Like, she cashing the check, like, and I just.
You mean her or you?
Her. Like, she gave both of us one. I'm just not, like, hearing about it, like, oh, I'm telling you what
Give me 1 second, sir. I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, I'm just not hearing about it. Like, is she just scamming?
Can you do me a favor and sit down? Just sit down for me real quick. Can you come here real quick? I'm gonna have you sit down right here, okay? Sit down. Sit on the ground for me.
Why I gotta sit?
Because I'm telling you to. Sit down on the ground.
I don't.
We're gonna have them continue their business. Sir, you can go in there.
Why am I being stopped?
Because you're with her. I'm gonna talk to you in 1 second. I'm gonna talk to her first, okay? You guys are not free to leave, so just stay here, okay?
I'm not with her though, so.
Any questions? The girl in the Kia, she already left you, just so you know.
That ain't got nothing to do with me.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you wait for 1 second, okay? From what she's telling me, sounds like someone is playing you guys. So I want to hear your side of the story. I want to talk to you guys. Can you do me a favor? Can you go 10-12 with her and just take her back by your car for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. She's not under arrest, but she is detained.
Okay.
And I'm gonna give you her property too. Give me 1 second. Don't. You guys saw the check?
1300.
You do? Perfect. Thank you. Okay. It sounds like what you're saying. You're getting played, right? Can you give me your side of the story?
Well, she just asked me the other day did I have an ID, and I was like, yeah. She was like, send me your ID. So she said, I'm finna come pick you up. So she gave me this check and be like, you just go in here and you like cash it and like I'm like, huh? Like, where's this stuff come from? Like, why we gotta do this? And she just give us like $100. Like, she's been doing this, and I'm telling her like I don't want to do this no more. And it's like crazy because I didn't even know like these was like bad. Like, I never wanted to do this, and like she has so many checks. Like, she print those out. Like, her and the girl that was not here today, like they in cahoots with each other with that stuff. Like,
that girl's in cahoots with them?
Yeah, like she have her and other people in her car like doing that.
Okay.
And I told her like I don't want to do this. Like, I don't know. I think this bad. Like, shit. Like, now I'm messed up. Like, it really was bad. Like, it's crazy. Like,
okay.
But the other lady that worked here, like, she knew what she was doing.
Okay. Yeah. The girl that other guy's talking to?
Mm-hmm. No, not that one. The other lady that worked here.
Yeah.
She knew what she was doing.
Which lady?
Like, she was like a little lady that got like short hair, gold. She not here.
Is she in on it?
Yeah, she in on it. And I was like, I think y'all doing a bad thing. Like, it's not.
You are doing a bad thing. I'm not gonna lie to you, but you're talking to me and you're being forthcoming with me, okay? So I'm gonna treat you like an adult. You treat me like an adult.
Yes,
you also give me respect. I'm gonna give you that same respect to you. Hence why I'm down on my knees, literally talking to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I get your first name?
Keandres.
Tell me about the girl that is making these checks.
The girl that make they checks, like, I know she made a statement like, I've been doing this for years, and I was like,
do you know her name?
What is it? Francine.
Francine?
I think it's Francine Frazier. Like, I'm not really sure. Her nickname for her is like Coco. Like, I knew this one. It was just like bull. Like,
tell me any information you have that can help me identify who she is.
Okay, so like she's a short lady. Like one of her eyes. Like, I think it's the right eye is like it goes this way.
Is lazy?
No, like it's messed up. Like one, yeah. She got a burgundy wig, real black.
Like dark skin?
Real dark skin, yes. She have piercings in her face, like 2 piercings.
On her nose? I'm messing up because my knees are killing me, okay?
I'm sorry.
No, you're good, you're good.
She got like 2 piercings.
Keep talking to me, piercings in her nose.
I wear big earrings, no tattoos, and that's basically it. Like,
did you ever see her riding in any other cars?
Yeah, it's like she always want to switch cars. Always.
How did you get in contact with Coco?
I was at Sam, like I told you, she asked me did I have an ID. And she asked me did I have an ID, and I'm like, yeah. And she like sent me her ID, and all of a sudden she just pop up this message.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
how many times have you done this?
Like 2 times, because like, and then they will always go flop. Like, they'll flop. And I'm like, something ain't right. What is this? She'll never tell me, like.
So you've done this twice with her before?
Yeah, like,
okay.
And they
that's okay.
They never,
you're being honest, and I do appreciate that,
they
okay?
Never, like, went through. Never went through.
How much does she pay you every time to do it? Cash money? Yes. Do they still have the check? Do they still have the check?
Yes, the girl.
Okay.
The lady that is cahoots, like they're cahoots. Yeah, she has it.
And the girl that works here?
Yeah, I forgot her name. I know her name.
What does she look like again?
She dark skin, like gold, short hair.
Gold, short hair.
Older lady.
Black male? I'm sorry, black female or white?
Black female.
You ain't got no drugs in that bag, right? No guns, no bazookas, no dead bodies?
Nothing.
Don't get up, okay?
I won't.
Don't get up.
I will.
I'm gonna run after you if you do.
For not getting up. I promise y'all.
Come over here for a second, girl. Yeah. Have you been contacting her through that phone?
Yes.
You have been?
She have called me, but we haven't made text messages. So.
Can you give me her phone number?
941. Always call me.
Yeah.
I don't think the other girl's going to be as cooperative.
We dropped them off to both do it. She said that she does do it with her. I'm going to go talk to the staff and get their statement too. Hello, ma'am. So, I'm going to talk to you about what's going on. Can you hang up the phone just so we can talk? Before I talk to you, she's been pretty honest with me, so I'm going to be very forthcoming with you. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Have these rights in mind, you wish to speak to me now. All I'm trying to get is your side of the story. Can you tell me what's going on?
I don't know what's.
I have spoken to her.
I don't know her. They ain't got nothing to do with me. I don't know what's going on. I came in there because I was going to transfer money, send money to my daughter that's out of town. I don't know what she got going on to my check here. I don't got no check or none of that. Whatever she did, that's on her. They ain't got shit to do with me.
Were you trying to pass the check inside?
Huh?
Were you trying to pass the check inside?
What you mean?
When you were here, what were you trying to do?
Trying to transfer money. Send money. Send
To
money
who?
out. My child.
A child?
Yes,
Okay.
that's out of town.
Okay. Who were the people that were inside the Kia?
I don't know them.
So you rode here?
I rode in the car. It was my friend, but
What's
I don't
your
know
name?
them. I don't know them people. My name, Sandy, I think. I don't fucking know her
Sandy?
name. That's what she told me. Like,
What's Coco's real name?
what's Coco?
Apparently that's her.
I don't know. See, different names. I don't know. See, this is what I don't got time for. I just rode. I don't know her at all. I don't even know her name. I just came because I had to come here to transfer money and whatever to send to my child.
Okay.
That's all I came for.
Have you came with her before to do any stuff like this when she does her thing and you're transferring money to your
I
child?
mean, I was in the car, but I ain't do none of that other shit. No.
No? Who else was in the car besides just the driver?
Somebody else, but I don't know them. I don't know none of the people.
Where did they pick you guys up from?
They picked me up from home. Well, my friend's house.
How did you get in contact with them?
My friend?
Your friend's in the car.
My friend's home.
If you want to,
I was at her house.
I'm sorry.
No, I was at my friend's house. She picked me up from my friend's house.
So then, how did you get in contact with her to have her come by and pick you up? You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If you're trying to call her, what phone number are you trying to use? And what is her name? Sandy? How long
See,
you been?
I don't really know them like that.
No?
I don't know how I got put up in this. I'm just sitting down and they're waiting, and I gotta get stopped. For what? Because I didn't even do shit.
Well, because you're with her and she's doing a criminal activity, alleged. So that's why I'm here to figure out.
Basically, I'm not with her. I don't know her. I'm just in the car with her. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
I could be in the car with somebody that I don't know, but she know the people.
Kind of. Not. I mean, legally, yes, but but is that common? Come on. I mean, let's just be honest. Let's just be honest with each other.
You can ask her. I don't know her at all.
Okay.
I don't even know her name.
So, give me your phone.
Midway through, one suspect describes the ringleader in detail. Florida Statute 831.02 covers uttering a forged instrument, knowingly passing a document you know to be false with intent to defraud. The suspect wasn't the printer, she was the passer. Under 831.02, that's a felony of the 3rd degree. Still, her defense hinges on the knowledge element. The statute requires the state to prove she knew the check was fake. That said, she admitted doing it twice before and said the checks kept getting rejected. That's not ignorance, that's pattern recognition. What happens next sets up a completely different legal question. The detective reads Miranda before pressing for specifics. Miranda versus Arizona requires that warning before any custodial interrogation, meaning when freedom of movement is significantly restricted. That threshold was met the moment everyone was told they were not free to leave. While the approach was textbook, any statement made before that warning would be suppressed. The initial stop rests on Terry versus Ohio, which allows brief detention based on reasonable, articulable suspicion, not full probable cause. The store employee's live report easily clears that bar. Still, suspicion alone doesn't authorize a search. The second suspect handed over her phone voluntarily, eliminating the warrant requirement for that item.
Give me your phone and take off your purse.
What the hell? Can you put it in my purse, please?
Absolutely.
Why do we think that there's a lot more stuff up there indicating that they've been doing this for a long time?
Because the one female said that the other girl is printing them out. She's like, the one female that's up there, not the one in the back of the car, the other one, says that we both come here with the girl in the Kia and she prints them out at our house, or she prints them out and then she gives them to us if we come here and cash them. We're going to keep talking, okay? She didn't talk to me.
Didn't?
A little bit, but not really. She gave me some. Hey there.
You okay?
Absolutely. Was the girl that's in cahoots on all this, is she working here today?
No, she said she was off today.
Is that why you guys were trying to leave?
No, she said go in there. The lady already told me that it'll be okay. It's another guy in there. She off today. Said you can still go in there and do it.
And you said you tried to pass one and she did too?
Yeah.
Okay. She was trying to tell me that she was trying to wire money to her friend.
I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm gonna be honest now.
You're being honest with me. That's why I want to talk to you more, because I want to know who's doing this stuff to you.
So the chick that's in all this actually works here as well. Makes a lot more sense. Well, that's who we really need, like,
Yeah.
ultimately. She could basically take you right to the house.
Yeah.
She said there's like a ton of evidence there of like all this.
House where Coco lives. We'll be very quick, ma'am. Okay, get the checks from her real quick, and then we'll be heading out.
Okay, that's fine. Just, I need to pick up my
I understand. Less than 2 minutes.
It's all the way to liquid brand. That's okay. That's fine.
Real quickly, can he come around and collect the 2 checks? Or how many checks was it that they're trying to cash?
I wanted to talk because
Can we come behind so we can talk?
Are you done? So I was doing it's all of these, and it's different people.
Oh.
Yeah, it's almost 12K worth.
Okay.
So I don't
Remember to
know.
set those down.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay.
And this is this one's also part of that.
Okay.
Just set it there.
And then this one was the other one that she tried to do today.
Okay. Did both
This is all
emails?
from before.
Yes, that happened Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week. I found out today when I came to the store.
So today was just this.
Yes, and I remember because I researched it this morning.
What are the dates on each check?
22, 23, and 24.
And this was the skinnier female or the bigger female?
Bigger female.
Okay.
The skinnier one didn't try to cash a check today, but I noticed that she's in there.
Did she try to cash a
Not today, but previous.
a previous check? Okay.
But she did already cash it. I mean, I recognize her from the pictures there.
Okay. Can you give us some surveillance video? If
That's
you
all
have it?
corporate. So what I wanted to talk to you about is because the employee that cashed these checks, we think she's involved.
She is involved. That's what the people outside
So
are
she's
telling me.
here tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning.
Okay.
And
What
we're going
is-
to be here.
What is her name?
Yolanda Brown. Oh, because she's probably been notified.